Hey you guys, so I just received this knife sharpener for the brand and I just had to show you guys. So far I'm really liking it. I like that it comes in this set, so I think it also makes like the perfect gift as well. And so for this, it is magnetic. There's a 20-degree and then a 15-degree. So I've got my knife here, and there are two sides to this. There's a grit here, and then there's a smooth finish on this side. So all you do is you just hold your knife, and we're gonna do the 20-degree one up here, and then you just slide this like back and forth pretty much like this to make it sharpen. And so I would say that it really does make my knife like actually really sharp. Obviously you want to be careful with that, but I love that this is magnetic. I like that with all of this, it's just very simple and easy to use, and it all comes in this box together, so it's easy to like store and put away. So I recommend, if you're looking for a knife sharpener, to check this one out.